I've been driving around for 3 hours already today, and I have not found much. In fact, I have not found anything. So, I am grateful to find this fan motor. What about those things right there? No, I don't want those. We went to another town before this, but I didn't record any footage because there was nothing to record. But hopefully tonight we'll find some great little goodies. Daylight savings time, so I won't even have to worry about shooting in the dark. So, welcome. This is very exciting. We're about to get the first umbrella stand of the year. Maybe. I don't know, maybe I found another one earlier this year somewhere, but I don't think so. I think this is the first one. And it looks like it's one of those ones that's all busted up. Can we break this off? Yeah, this one's not doing well. It's just scrap metal. Urgh. All right, we'll work on that later. But you know, it's a sign. It's a sign of springtime when people start throwing out last year's umbrella stand. L'chaim. I think that's what I'm supposed to say here, right? Wait, is this a Jewish thing or is it a Christian thing? I really don't know. I do know that this lady came out one time like, "Oh, what are you doing to my garbage?" So, we're gonna be as quick and efficient as we can while we grab her religious tchotchkes. Oh, all right, she's got Jesus on a cross, so I guess this is Christian stuff. That's neat stuff. Neat stuff. And it's adjustable too, see? Kind of cool. I hope we don't end up scrapping those. I don't know, we probably will. I'm not really in the mood to take bed frames today, but I gotta validate my existence somehow. Today's pretty boring. Just driving around talking to my two best friends. Actually, my three best friends. Ugh. Me, myself, and I. Keeping each other company in the car. Oh. I gotta find some junk though. Sometimes this happens though, like when I come out a little too early. It's almost like I'm too eager. Whoa. I hit the street sign. Sorry, street sign. Wow. This is a lot of work right now. Trying to wedge these in here. All right, we're safe there. Yeah, this is it. I haven't been like sneaking around behind you guys' back, taking any scrap metal on the sly. I've shown you everything we did today. All right, let's, I don't know, it's such a beautiful day. Maybe people don't want to put out garbage. Can't blame them. I'm rolling backwards down a hill because I drove by a piece of metal that I wasn't going to take. But I realized it'd probably be in my best interest to take it. Considering that we're not finding anything else tonight. And we've already gone around town 1.5 times. And we went around another town like a quarter of a time. So what do you think? Should I take this box I might have to edit something out there. How much does this weigh? I guess I'll take it. It had some of the people's personal information on it, though. Isn't that stupid? I backed down a hill to pick up worthless scrap metal, and now I've got to edit it out of the video. Anyway, it sure is a beautiful day out here, so I can't complain. But sometimes I still do. Life's been good to me so far. Old 35 slides, 1956 to 2000. Well, I guess we'll take them, considering that we haven't found anything else. I found this axe and this little vacuum cleaner and this bat and that wire. But there was a lady out there and she's all like, oh, this is embarrassing. But just around the time that I discovered that these film cases had the guy's name and phone number on them, the GoPro crapped out. So who knows what the hell that clip is gonna look like. But we'll put his little rug and his little hoop back in the sack. What about that thing? I don't know. Mostly plastic. I guess we could take it. Whatever, we got room. So yeah, the first video clip of the night, ruined by the GoPro, but I'm not mad. The GoPro doesn't do that very often. Just once in a great while. There's also a whole sack full of mini DV tapes, so I guess we'll take those too. There, we have a multimedia empire. Books. See? The Bohemian Paradise and its secrets. Look at this. Whoa! Tapes and film. There you go. All right, things are really picking up now. We've got our second umbrella stand of the night and possibly of the year. This one's a little fancier than the other one. It's got some debris on it though, so sorry about your street lady. What about this table? What do you think? Shall we take it? Oh, I think we shall. It's lovely. In fact, maybe instead of breaking it up for scrap metal, we'll try to wedge it in the car somehow. You think it'll go? Ugh. Look at that. Perfectly wedged in the car. I'm gonna tolerate that for about 5 minutes before I throw it in the trunk. Think that's gonna hit me in the head? I hope not. You think I'm gonna hit the brakes and it's gonna go forward, smash my soda? Well, I'm 3/4 done with that anyway. All right, I guess we're committed for now. Let's do some bike rack preparation in anticipation of our participation in a cycling situation. All right, what do we got? Oh, so Miata desu. All right, it's a Miata Alumitech 721A with chromo fork. This is probably similar to the oh, what the hell was that thing I had before? The Raleigh Technium. where they bond some aluminum to the steelium. I don't know, is this all aluminum in the back here? Could be. Anyway, I don't think I've ever had one of these before. And, you know, it's not exactly adjusted safely. It's got a half-assed set of bum bars on it. Like, it went for the 45-degree bum bar option instead of the 90-degree vertical bum bar option. But, yeah, I'd say it's a pretty solid little, whatever the hell it is. So now I'm happy. All right, now I've cheered up. I'm still not happy about this dumb table. My God. I don't want to kill the table, you know, because it's solid, but it's gonna kill me. Let's ask our friend Roland whether or not we like this table. I can tell you already I don't like it, but I think Roland agrees with me. He doesn't like it either. I don't know though. I wonder if it comes apart. I'm not really in love with having 3 pieces of glass in the car, but it's kind of a cool table. Is it disassemblable? Yeah, I feel some set screws down there. I don't know, let me see. It'd be nice if it had a name on it or something. It just doesn't look that crappy, but it doesn't look that fancy either. Yeah, I think it's going to be more of a liability than an asset, so maybe we should just leave it right here. Yeah, if it was brass, I would take it. But being that it's fragile glass and steel, I'm not gonna take it. I feel like a bug just flew in my ear. I don't know if it's still there or not. Anyway, these people's dogs are barking. That's not gonna stop us from taking their pressure washer cord. Wow, those dogs are relentless. But so are we. Relentless cord cutters. But we also try to be neatniks. So, there's your wand, lady, back where it belongs. Feeling kind of glum tonight. I don't know why. Who knows? Just one of those days, I guess. Look at this fun lamp that these people threw away. Not that one. This one. This is die-cast metal, but the scrapyard pays aluminum price for that. Or I don't know, maybe we could like sell it as an actual lamp. Probably not. There were a lot of lamps like that. It's old die-cast metal. They all kind of look the same, but they all kind of look different. It's pretty neat. This lady's usually nice. Let's see if she threw out anything that's nice. Air filters. You guys got some dirty air. That thing. A funnel to stick in your... Did I really just say that? I'm gonna have to beep that out. Hey. Cucina Italiana. Buon appetito. Ah. Made by Al Pisano. Alright, Al. What about these? I don't know if we really need stuff like that, but we're gonna take it anyway. Somebody paid something for it. We should just take it out of respect for good old Al Pisano. Oh, Al Pisano. Oh. Guess what we have to do? That's right, we gotta turn on our little magic light because it's getting dark. Getting dark, too dark to see. Oh. Anyway, what else does this lady have? Oh, look, she got some bed framery. You know what else she has that's cool? Maybe we'll turn the car off so you guys can hear what the hell I'm saying. Oh God, I can't reach the key from here. Here we go. Whoa. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Oh. Then you got to turn the lights off so the battery doesn't drain. All right. I don't want your sticks, lady. I'll take your bed frames. Yeah, looks like it's bed frames Orama tonight. If it fits in the trunk, it ships in the trunk. Let's see. A baseball bat? What's that worth? I can't really get the light to shine on this the right way. Here. See? It says worth. That's why I was joking about that. All right, now the light's back on. Anyway, another piece of fine bed framery for all you bed frame aficionados. I got mixed feelings about bed frames. But they are worth money. This is 11 cents a pound times about, I don't know, 20 pounds. That's $2. Wow. But you can see why they're annoying. They get tangled up and whatnot. Ah, well. Anyway, you want an IKEA shelf? It's a lack. Anyway, the thing I think is cool in this pile is, check this out. They took a hockey stick and made it into a coat rack, right? I don't know how they hung it on the wall, but we got to take that. And then, what else? Oh yeah, a gun. I think this is for rubber bands or something. So, I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway. Oh yeah. Rubber band gun, I guess. Whatever. These people threw out every ceiling fan in the house. My goodness. What's my strategy here? Guess I should just start cracking off wings. Let's see how it works. All right, I can do that, but not really great one-handed. So I'll see you guys after I get these things in the trunk. Here, I'll do one more. Oh God, I'd better be careful because I'm gonna end up having a misstep and slicing something open on one of these babies. But you guys get the gist of it, you know? Like when you're watching the first few minutes of a TV show, you say, shh, 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 I gotta get the gist. So, consider the gist gotten, and I'll see you when all of those have been gotten by me. Look how neat their pile is now. You wanna make it a little neater? What about this? This can go right there. And these curtains or whatever they are can go right up top there. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Speaking of beautiful, let's see these beautiful electric motors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 of those tonight. Not bad at all. You guys want to play a game of is it iron or is it terracotta? Oh, I think we already lost. From far away, it looks like iron. See? Look at this. Look at this cast iron thing. Isn't that neat? Oh, it's not cast iron. All right, here, we'll fix it. We'll fix it for the lady. There you go, lady. You're welcome. These people have been throwing out like antique-y stuff, but I don't think any of it's any good. I think it's just like really crap, like for months. That happens. Some houses, they throw out like a lot of stuff for months, but it's all really bad stuff. Looks like these people might have put out some fun metal stuff for us. Maybe. Ooh, indeedy. All right. Let's open up the trunk. It's only like 8:30, but I'm trying not to be too loud out here. Who knows? Maybe they're sleeping. Don't want your tin. Don't want your knife sharpener. I don't know. I guess we could take that faucet. I don't think it's brass, though. This is what I really want. We're gonna take these. No, they're all plastic. Look at this cylinder head. What the hell is that from? 4-cylinder something or other. It's actually kind of spooky out here. There's no noise. Not even the noise of my car. All right, do we want that? Eh. Probably not. We'll take that. Take that. It almost seems like this guy maybe is like a little bit of a scrapper or something, because it looks like he took out the good valuable junk and only left the kind of crappy junk. But I don't know, that's clean aluminum. Let's see what's in the rest of this pile. A shoe massager or a foot massager. Let's see, some mud flaps, a tricycle. Is that? No. Just hollow. All right, I guess that was a good little score. Not the best, not the worst, but I'm fine with it. It's only 9 o'clock, but it feels like eerily quiet out here. Do we want this crap? Do we want this crap? I don't know how desperate we are today. Not that desperate, but here, a Ziploc bag full of chain. That's what we need. And this thing. We'll take this. Oh, God. This stuff kind of like walks the line between tin and iron. But it doesn't take too much room in the car. You know, this is a very interesting scrap load tonight. It's probably the most fan motors I've ever taken. We don't have much in the way of brass or copper, but we got that really neat cylinder head. That's the fun thing about scrap metal, is it just takes so many different forms, manifests itself in so many different ways. This air conditioner is positively Lilliputian. I think I got that right, didn't I? Oh my God. It's not a lightweight, it's just tiny. All right. Can we fit it in here without too much hassle? No. It's gonna be way too much hassle. I think if I move this out of the way, that thing has a mind of its own. All right, we're gonna try and put this in. If it fits, I'll be shocked. Look at that. Just gonna have to do a little adjusting over here. I don't have on a glove, so I'm nervous about all these jagged edges. Don't ever handle scrap metal without a glove. It's not smart. Think they got anything else that we need? I don't know. Probably not. We can put their foam in there. Need any boards? No. That's the most adorable little air conditioner. I'm gonna build a dollhouse and put it in the window. What's the deal with this little toilet? It's a big little toilet. I don't know. Looks like someone used it though. Disgusting. All right, I guess we don't need that. How many ceiling fans do we have in here? 7? What do you say we add one more? Wow, this is stubborn. I'm not in the mood, Mr. Ceiling Fan, for you to be stubborn. Break already. Would you break? God darn thing. All right. Maybe you don't want to break. We're gonna take the screws out. Guess we might have to. Do we have a scroogey? Oh my God, where's my scroogey? There it is. All right, I'm gonna mercifully spare you the details because I can just tell how loud this car is right now. This footage is gonna be terrible. All right, this has been an ordeal, but we're getting the last screw out just now. So let's do this. That way the screws don't go in the lady's grass. Here's the rest of the screws. And let's see how hard this thing is to fit in the trunk. Let's not lose our Scroogey. But yeah, this was a pain. Kept dropping the screwdriver and whatnot. What about that thing? Does that come off? Sure does. All right, I'm grateful for the fan motors, but kind of hope we don't find any next week. All right, I guess we're pretty much done tonight. It's like almost 10 o'clock and I've been out since, I don't know, 11 a.m. maybe. It's kind of a rough day so far because we really haven't found much. But I guess that's, you know, how it is these days. It used to be pretty much like anytime you went out, you'd fill the car top to bottom. I'd be going home with like a patio set on the roof. It was crazy. But these days it's like a little bit less crazy. But there are some houses, they're very reliable. Like this one right here. This guy always throws out a bunch of car parts. He's also a very nice dude. So as I'm leaving town, I stop by here, see what he's got. And for some reason, the other scrappers don't ever seem to come out to this side of town. So I always seem to get these goodies. And that's good for me. And it's good for us. Actually, I don't know how you guys benefit from it. You get to watch me do it, I guess. So it's good for me. And, you know, if you enjoy watching me, then all the better. But tonight, I would like to say thank you to this guy for sure. For throwing out, well, hey, I'm looking over there again. God, I'm so bad at camera stuff. I'd like to say thank you to whoever threw out this Miata. Thank you to this guy for the car parts. Thank you to all the other people who threw out scrap metal. Thank you to the people who threw out bed frames. Thank you to the guy who threw out all the DV tapes and films. Thank you to the lady who threw out that stuff. The lady who threw out those candelabra things. And most of all, I'd like to say thank you to you guys for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see you when I see you.